Hello, I'm Chris Parker, and I've been a professional photographer and graphic designer for 30 years. This Gimp course covers everything you need to use Gimp for your projects. It includes both basic and advanced projects that are perfect for both photographers and graphic designers. In the basic section, you're going to learn everything about Gimp, including, but not limited to, how to customize the interface, what layers are and how to use them. You'll also learn how to use layer masks to precisely edit your images, how to use the selection tools and other editing tools to retouch your images, how to create shapes in Gimp, how to use the brush tool for your artwork, and much more. Then, in the advanced projects, you're going to learn how to edit your images like a pro, including both RAW and JPEG files, how to remove blemishes like pimples, scars, and more, and even how to change your colors in images. I'll even share my personal editing workflow to help you edit faster and consistently. You're also going to learn how to replace plain, boring skies with a new one. And then for graphic designers, you'll learn how to create a retro logo, how to create grungy and retro text effects, how to make a superhero pop out of a monitor, and much more. Now, if you're still unsure if this course is right for you, here are a couple of recent testimonials. So David writes, I have taken a few courses on Gimp, and this is the most detailed step-by-step Gimp course I have taken so far. You don't rush through the lesson like some courses. You take your time and talk clearly while making everything clear. Thank you for a wonderful course. And then we have Melissa, and she writes, I am still taking the course, but can already tell the impact. I come from a Photoshop background, but wanted an option that wasn't costing a monthly fee. I am surprised at how much can be done in Gimp, but even more impressed with the instruction. I have never had anyone actually explain all the tools and options to this degree. I feel way more knowledgeable and know I will continue to love the remaining lectures. So worth every penny and more. And then real quick, one more. We have James, and he writes, this is an amazing course. Chris goes through all the tools and explains it all so I can understand what is going on. I would highly recommend this course for anyone, beginner or advanced. There's something in here for everyone. With over 5,000 students and more joining every month, you too can overcome your fears of Gimp and master it once and for all. In fact, you have 30 days to try out the class, love it, and it's yours forever. If it's not for you, that's okay. Ask for a full, no questions asked refund within the first 30 days. I'm looking forward to sharing my 30 years of experience with you and look forward to seeing your creative work. Thanks for listening, have an awesome day, and I'll see you on the inside.